TTI setup for a DieselCaptain unit. Okay, so you've just purchased your first DieselCaptain unit, maybe your second, hopefully. You'll find here that normally the lid will come down latched. You'll have to give it a little bit of a tug and open her up. Always read your manual first. This manual will help you out in just the basic setup tools and guides and a little bit of troubleshooting. Put that aside for a moment. This is your nozzle. You notice it has a swivel. Some units are fitted with a flow meter, a digital flow meter. This one is not. Okay. I always find it easiest just to unwrap the hose. As you can see, we have a nice length of hose there. Back to the unit. This just allows easy access for us to get to the cords that we will ultimately need to hook it up to the unit. Okay. We have two cords here. We have our positive, which is red, our negative, which is black, and our fuse. Most importantly, if you're going to put an Anderson plug on these units, always confirm that the positive and negative are the right way around, because the pumps will run in reverse, which can cause an actual issue when going to pump. And always make sure that you remain and keep the actual fuse in that length. Alright, do not cut it out. This here is our, what we call our anti-static, or I suppose earth cable. When using the unit, it's always best just to make sure it's just clipped onto the side of the tray or some steel on the actual vehicle. Okay, to fill the unit when you're at the service station, basically just undo anti-clockwise the lid. Now you'll notice inside there's actually a really fine stainless steel mesh filter. Always ensure that that filter is left in when filling the unit. It helps to stop any foreign debris from getting inside, which can cause issues later on when pumping. Just pop that back down in there. Okay, so now you've filled up your unit. You've hooked up your earth strap to the side of your vehicle. You've hooked your battery cables up to your positive and negative. You're actually ready to pump, believe it or not. Quick flick on the switch.